How to reset your Instagram Explore page. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. So, let's begin. Before we proceed, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative because there's still no option on Instagram which will reset your Explore page. So, first, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And then click on that update button whenever it is available. And then once you have updated your Instagram, click open. And for the first step that I will be teaching you is to clear your search history. So to do that, you just simply go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, and click on your activity right here. Once you're in your activity, go to recent searches right here and make sure to click on clear all found on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on clear all and then that should clear all of your searches. So the purpose of this one is that Instagram will look for your search history and then it will reflect on your explore page as well. So for the second step that I will be teaching you is to remove the likes or the post that you have liked. So to do that, just simply go to this three lines once again, go to your activity, and then you can go to interactions right here, go to likes, and remove some posts that you don't want to appear anymore. So go to this, for example, this one. So what you're going to do is to tap on the like or the heart button right here, and then you should reload it. So again, um, Instagram based your explore page on your likes. So unliking posts like this one will show you lesser posts like this one on your explore page. And for the last step that I will be teaching you is to remove or to hide posts that you don't like. So go ahead on a specific post like this one, click on the three dots found on the upper right corner, and then you should be able to see options like, let's go right here, click on the three dots. You may see the hide option right here, or if you still have the option called see fewer posts like this one, so go ahead and click on that. So go ahead on and click on hide, and then Instagram will also show lesser posts like this one on your explore page. So again, there is no reset option on Instagram. However, the three steps that I have taught you is just an alternate. So that's it. That's how you can reset your Instagram explore page.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.